Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the questions based on the natural vibration. The equation of the vibration of the system is x double dot plus 36 pi square x is equal to 0. You can see that this is the equations of the natural vibration. We have seen that the natural vibration equation is denoted at x double dot plus omega n square x is equal to 0. We all know that where omega n is the natural frequency and that is equal to under root of s by n, and the unit is radian per second. But if you see the options, this is not in radian per second, this is in hertz. So that means you have to calculate the natural frequency in hertz. Okay, so first we have to calculate natural frequency in radian per second. So when you do the comparison of these two equations that is given in the question, you will get the value of omega n. So the omega n square is equal to 36 pi square. So this is just the mathematical problem, and when you take under root of this, you will get the value of 6 pi radian per second. Okay, 6 pi radian per second. So how can you calculate the frequency, or you can say natural frequency in hertz? Fn is equal to 2 pi upon, that is the natural frequency in hertz. Okay, so it would be omega n upon 2 pi. Okay, because you can write it as omega n is equal to 2 pi f n. Okay, there will not be any confusion if you remember these equations like that, because on the other hand we know that time oscillation is also equal to 2 pi upon omega n. So there may be confusions within natural frequency in hertz and the time oscillation. So you can learn it as omega n is equal to 2 pi fn. Okay, so omega n we got, that is 6 pi and 2 pi. Finally you will get the value of 3 in hertz. Okay, the frequency in hertz that we get here, and the option C would be the correct answer. If you see the options carefully, there is also 6 pi, there is also 3 pi. So I'm going to say that if you make any mistakes in the solutions, you will get the wrong answer, and wrong answer will also be in the options, because options are designed in such a way that whatever be the value you will get in solving the questions, that will also available in the options. Okay, so you just have to go to the last and final answer, that is 3 hertz. So option C would be the correct answer. I hope you will not get any problem here, because this is just the simple question. If you remember the equation of the natural frequency, you will able to solve the question. Okay, on the natural frequency, the question is not as simple as you can see here. There may be a little bit tough questions or more than a tough questions, we will see later, but this is basically simplest questions on the natural frequency. Okay, so option C would be the correct answer. Thank you.